Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 amazing Photoshop tips that can take your editing skills to the next level. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to leave a like. And if you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe. Now, without any further delay, let's get started. First, open the image in Photoshop. Next, select the image layer and press Ctrl+J to create a duplicate layer. Right-click on the duplicate layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Now, press Ctrl+I to invert the duplicate layer. Change the layer's blend mode from normal to vivid light. Go to Filter. Select Other, then apply the High Pass filter. Adjust the high pass radius according to your image to achieve the best result. Go to Filter. Select Blur, then apply the Gaussian Blur filter. Set the Gaussian blur radius according to your image for a smooth and natural effect. Now, add a layer mask to the effect layer. Press Ctrl+I to invert the layer mask. Select the layer mask, then choose the brush tool. Make sure the foreground color is set to white and the brush hardness is set to 0%. Finally, paint the effect only on the skin. First, open the image in Photoshop. Now, select the lasso tool. Using the lasso tool, select the hair area. Once the hair selection is complete, click on Select and Mask. Refine the hair selection to make sure only the hair is selected accurately. Set the output to New Layer with Layer Mask, then click OK. Next, create a new layer. Now, select the Gradient tool. Apply the gradient to the new layer you just created. Right-click on the gradient layer and select Create Clipping Mask so that the gradient is applied only to the hair layer. Finally, change the blend mode from normal to soft light. First, select the image. Next, select the Object Selection tool. Now, select the subject. Press Ctrl+J to create a duplicate of the subject layer. Next, select the text layer. Press Ctrl+T to activate Free Transform. Right-click and select Warp. Adjust the text according to your preference. Next, select the text layer and press Ctrl+J to create a duplicate of the text layer. Press Ctrl+T again. Right-click and select Flip Horizontal. Right-click once again and select Warp. Adjust the duplicated text according to your preference. Move the duplicated text layer below the subject layer. Change the color of the duplicated text layer. Next, add a drop shadow to the main text layer. Hold the Ctrl key and select both text layers. Finally, link both text layers together. First, select the brush tool. Make sure the brush hardness is set to 0%. Also, set the foreground color to white. Next, create a new layer. Now, select the new layer. Use the brush tool to paint on the new layer. Press Ctrl+T to activate free transform. Next, select the rectangular marquee tool. Now, select the area that you don't need. Press the delete key to remove the selected area. Press Ctrl+D to deselect the selection. Press Ctrl+T again and adjust it according to your preference. Now, select the brush layer. Change the blend mode from normal to dissolve. Next, create another new layer. Hold the Ctrl key and select both layers. Press Ctrl+E to merge both layers. Now, select the merged layer. Open the filter menu. Go to blur and apply motion blur. Set the distance to your desired value, then click OK. Finally, adjust the layer's opacity to your preference. First, select the rectangle tool. Make sure the stroke is set to off and the fill is set to on. Now, create a rectangle shape. Next, hold the Alt key and create a duplicate copy of the rectangle. Repeat the same process to create more copies and complete the window frame. Now, select all the shape layers. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Next, select the Smart Object layer. Open the Edit menu. Click Define Brush Preset and save it as a brush. Next, open your image in Photoshop. Create a new layer. Select the new layer. Make sure the brush foreground color is set to white. Click once on the image to apply the brush. Change the layer's blend mode from normal to overlay. Open the filter menu. Go to blur and apply Gaussian blur. Set the radius to your desired value, then click OK. Finally, press Ctrl+T and adjust the window effect according to your preference. Keep learning. See you in the next Photoshop tutorial.